This is my Ford Falcon that I got for free, and I spent 12 grand in just 3 weeks to make this car look like, well, hot garbage. Now, a lot of people tell me that I spent too much money on this car and that I'll never make my money back. So today, we're gonna take this car to a car dealership and see just how much they'll offer me. So stay tuned to find out, will I break even, will I lose money, or will I be big-brained and make money? Just to show everyone that I'm actually a financial genius. Our good friend, the car dealer man, offered us officially... Felix, do you think I'm gonna make my money back on this car?
Yes.
Yes? How much? Okay, realistically, how much do you think they're gonna offer me?
There's two options. They're either gonna say $1,000 or they're gonna go, I don't want it.
Get it out of here.
It's gonna be a, you're joking, leave.
Leave. I've not washed the car. It's got dirty rims and marks on the windscreen. I don't know why there's hand marks on the windscreen here. But we're leaving the megaphone in there and we're leaving the flame kit. Look at the floors here. This is all from Felix. No one else sits in this car but Felix and his dirty ass
my little
feet.
passenger princess spot, and he doesn't clean
dirty ass feet
dog
in the back.
does not clean my passenger princess seat.
This guy. We're also going to be leaving the flat screen down so that way they know what it's got. And I think that it's going to increase the value of the car. Let's go down and find out how much this dealership thinks that my pride and joy is worth.
Also, before we go,
Cheeky shameless plug.
shameless plug.
Merch, it will be dropped March 1st, 2025. I don't know when you're going to be watching this, but yes, March 1st, 2025,
Yep.
Chatterbox.
It's happening.
And it's happening, it's happening. Oh my God, I'm freaking excited. You guys have been showing some crazy support.
Yep.
So thank you.
And you know what? Good quality stuff, because I have abused this. It's been covered in oil. I've washed it, tumble dried it, everything. It hasn't lost its shape. It hasn't faded.
Look at this guy. I'm not even paying
Quality,
him.
not even paying.
I'm not even paying him.
Use code SLOW, 2 W's.
He doesn't even have a code.
I don't fuck it.
All right. Enough shameful plugs. We'll see you guys at the dealership. We've stopped it basically in the middle of the road. Waypole don't at me. We've set up the car. We've got the TV down so everybody knows. And we're about to drive in and we're gonna try and get their reactions. So Felix, you were saying on the way here that you don't think they'll give me 10 grand for this car.
You reckon? No, I said to Richie, the maximum he will ever get offered for this car is $1,500 from a dealer.
Okay, 1,500 bucks?
1,500 bucks.
Okay, 1,500.
I'll put $5 on that.
Done. Okay, yeah, done.
Yeah.
I guarantee it's gonna be more. I'm hoping that they're like, oh my God, that's a sick ass Falcon. Is that an XR6? No, it's an XT. It's
Classic.
even better. Classic with a flat screen TV.
What are we doing?
Oh my God. This is so dumb. All right.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. We're like literally 20 meters away. I can get as much as we can from this, but yeah, we'll be basically switching to sneaky phone cam.
All right. See you soon. There's a lot of people.
Sports brakes. Oh my God.
Your car sounds so good, Richie.
They're sports brakes. They're slotted brakes.
Yeah, that's what makes the squeak. Alright, you gotta park there.
Park there?
Yeah.
Okay, do I reverse or just...
No, straight in. Just
Straight in?
Yeah, straight in, mate.
Okay. Now, time for sneaky phone cam, because there's so many people here. Shh. Secret squirrel business. Okay, let's go. Yeah, just see how much I can get for it, at least. No, I can't remember. Ford Falcon? Yeah, not an XR, but yeah, 2004, that's me. No? Sorry. No, that's all right. Hi, Richard, nice to meet you.
Felix.
That's Felix, he's just a mate. Yeah, sweet.
That's the blue one there?
Yeah, just the blue one there. So a bit of a long story with it. Just like curious to see like a rough estimation on what I could get. So it's an XT, but like it's had the full front conversion on it because it was unregistered. Brought it back basically from the grave. But yeah, had the XR8. Oh, yeah. No, the paintwork is stock. It's got a flat screen TV on the roof.
What sort of money are you chasing?
Just seeing what I can get really. Dropped a bit of money in it and into it.
It's been lowered and stuff.
Nah, stock. It's on lowering springs, but it's still stock height.
It's got hurricane headers.
Yeah, hurricane headers.
And then it's got a 2.5-inch system, CATS, RES, all legal.
I really need some because that sort of stuff we do not buy every day.
Yeah, true. Yeah. I know that you don't get much for Falcons kind of thing.
Yeah.
Just a rough.
Yeah, it's just a normal 6-cylinder. Yeah.
Yeah. Yep. Normal 6-cylinder.
Yeah.
Yeah. It was like unregistered.
We've got a turbo motor we could throw on it.
but not there, not yet. The whole front end was damaged. The panels were crashed.
Just take you for a quick spin.
Yeah, of course.
Are you looking to buy another car from us or just selling it out?
Probably just. I just want to get a rough price because
the only reason I'm asking, because definitely we can trade in any sort of car, but this car, it might be just too tough for our
that's fair.
But let me just take you a quick spin and have boss's thoughts what he says.
Easy. Easy. Do you think he likes it?
No.
A few moments later.
Okay, so he's taken the car for a test drive. I think everything's all fine and dandy because the car's fine, I think. Yeah, but I don't think he's too happy with it. He basically told me that he'd prefer me to trade it in because it's pretty shit to just buy outright. So we're gonna have a browse around while he's looking at the cars.
Yeah,
we're gonna see what
have a look at the trade,
Yeah,
mate.
so,
What do you reckon? Let's go look at the Rams.
Yeah, R35 GTR.
No, the Rams.
No, R35 GTR. Okay, let's go and have a look at some cars.
Straight swap, mate.
Straight, yeah, dude. Maybe cash my way. See how we go. What do you guys think? Should we trade in for this? I reckon we trade it in. Or maybe a Maserati. Straight swap for a dark horse.
I think so. What's the?
How much? 127. Is that all?
Yeah. Mate, they should give you cash your way for that.
I reckon. Well, it's Ford for Ford. You're basically swapping a badge for badge.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know if I want to downgrade, but... How much is that?
Oh, only 113.
Oh, dude, what? What would you prefer, the dark horse or an R8?
What do you reckon?
R8.
Obviously.
Wow, what? They get a golf cart. So, what the hell?
Yeah.
Bro, did they not see me walk in with my car? I feel like such a douchebag. Oh, okay, let's go.
20 minutes later.
Okay, so I'm pretty sure the guy that's test driven the car has come back like 5 minutes early on his 10-minute trip, and now he's taking his manager out to go and look at the car. Oh my God, and they're giggling. Oh. Well, this is a great sign. This is a great sign, guys. It's gonna be a quick video because I'm gonna go and cry myself to sleep. Okay, we're gonna see if we can like sneaky videos, see what they're talking about. This is so embarrassing.
Having a moment of realization.
This is one of the most embarrassing things I've ever fucking done. I'm dead ass. Like, I'm not kidding.
This is hilarious.
I'm so embarrassed right now.
You should be.
I should be? Hey, thanks, Felix. Thank you.
It's ready now.
Yeah? Oh!
But just, it might be just a little bit too much to put it on the floor.
Yeah, no, that's all right.
Everything comes on the dollars too, you know?
Yeah, that's fair.
Has to work for both
What
of
would
us.
be
I spent 12 on it.
12,
Yeah.
getting it on the road?
Things.
Yeah, because it was unregistered and the parts, so I was like, oh, I didn't think I'd get anywhere close to 12. But I was like,
Things.
yeah, I was like, look, I'll see what I can get at least. Because see if it's worth the amount of money I put in. But it's expensive.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Well, that's the thing. Like, just the parts to get it over the pits cost me $4.5 grand in parts.
Easy.
The megaphone in the car.
It's good.
Yeah.
It's still tight. It's got a little bit of appeal. You know?
Yeah.
It's good
Yeah,
car.
it's a clean car.
Yeah.
It's all good.
Yeah, appreciate it though. Thank you.
No worries.
Thanks.
Thank you.
mate. Thank you.
Thanks. You enjoy.
Have a good one.
A few moments later.
Our good friend, the car dealer man, offered us officially $3 grand and said he might go up to 3.5. That's more than your 1,500, Felix.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, baby.
All right.
Yeah, give me the $5.
All right.
Yeah, take your money out. Yeah, that's what I thought. Sweet smell of victory, baby.
That
It's all
might have
profit.
come out of my
Yeah.
underwear drawer, but
That's okay. I can smell it already, man. Stale and crusty Felix underwear. So that was embarrassing, and I'll probably never do something like that again. Jokes, because I kind of want to do it with the one done. Keep the paint as is, drive it in there, no exhaust, and just see how much they'll offer me. You think they'll pay me just to leave? 3.5 grand, and I've dropped 12, and it's probably slightly over 12. But 12 grand into this car. The thing is about being a car enthusiast, and Felix knows this, everyone knows this, is that you do it for the love of it, you don't do it for the money. And if we did it for the money, we wouldn't be into cars. Because we are sinking money into these depreciating assets. Okay, and my financial advisor always tells me to stop, and I tell her, no. Anyway, I'm super embarrassed because he seemed like a lovely guy, and I'm pretty sure he knew we were recording him. But yeah, he did say a lot of nice things about the car. He liked the interior, he liked the front, he liked the megaphone and the TV as well.
No, he didn't say he liked them. He said, I saw everything.
Yeah, he said. If you guys like this video, I don't know how long it's going to be, but if you guys like the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Chatterbox will be released 1st of March 2025. I don't know when you guys are watching this, so check it out. Please join the waiting list. Everything's linked down below. Felix's channel will be linked down below. Of course, support him, support us. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Comment it down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.